Welcome to Orcanos Academy. In this training session, we would like to show you how to integrate QuickParts into your Office documents generated from the Orcanos Document Control Management system. Once you upload and download the document to the Orcanos management system, the system automatically will integrate the elements of the QuickParts that are part of the Orcanos system. In these QuickParts, you will find the option to embed metadata from the DMS item record. Here in this example, we're going to take a Word document that we will download from the Orcanos system. By downloading this document, for edit mode, it will include automatically in the Document Properties QuickParts fields to embed Orcanos data in the document. I'm going to show you what it looks like. This is the Word document that was downloaded from the Orcanos system. In the header, you can integrate the QuickPart, such as version, document, ID, approval date, and so on. Let's look at an example of integrating one of the fields of the Orcanos Document Control Management system. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to configure the fonts to fit better. And to integrate, you need to insert the field from the document information that is part of the field of the document property. Then you need to select the Options button and scroll down to the field of Orcanos that you would like to integrate. Like for example, the work item name. In this case, it will be the name of the DMS item. You need to double-click the attribute and click OK to insert it into the body of the Word document. As you can see in this example, I was embedding the QuickPart field of the document name into the file header. Every time the system approves and releases a new document, the metadata information from Orcanos will be updated. For example, if we want to include information about the revision, I can insert a field, document property, option, and revision, double-click OK, and it is integrated automatically inside the Word document. Now you can use the metadata from the Orcanos database inside your documents as part of your adaptation to the Orcanos Document Control Management system. Thank you.